Kitchen. Today I am making delicious egg salad recipe, and this salad is perfect dish for dinner, light and healthy and quick recipe. So let's get started. First of all, I am taking one bowl, adding 2 glasses of water and put 4 eggs in it for boiling on high flame, and add some salt till the time the eggs are boiled. Now we prepare the next steps. Now I am taking iceberg. We'll cut thin in slices like this because it is very soft and cuts easily, and we'll cut in the middle too, like this. Now I have taken ice water, chilled, and put iceberg in it so that it stay fresh. Now the eggs have also been boiled. Now I have taken ice in a bowl, means cold water. Put eggs in it and keep it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we will peel it off. Now we will cut it and remove the yellow portion. Now put all the eggs in a bowl and add one yellow portion only, and add iceberg. Remove all the water. Now this is fresh and chilled, and I am adding healthy seeds and nuts, and I will mention on description box. Now adding some salt, black salt, and adding frozen corns. Just wash it and add it, and chopped onion, half chopped onion, and little bit coriander leaves. These are fresh leaves, and adding fresh black pepper, like 1/4 teaspoon, and Thousand Island sauce, 2 teaspoon, and mayonnaise 2 teaspoon, half squeezed lemon, pour it. Now mix it well, and yummy and healthy salad is ready. Egg salad, and you can keep in the fridge also 3-4 hours. It will be fresh. Now it is ready to serve. Egg salad and healthy salad, and you must try at home. And if you like this video, do like and share also. Thanks for watching the Ritz Kitchen. Wait for next video. Till then, bye bye.